Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ksenia and I make videos for people who are going through the family immigration process. Today's video is going to be informal, but I wanted to quickly talk about USCIS wasting their time on completely useless digital tools that they have been implementing in the past couple of years. Last year, I made a video talking about how you should not trust USCIS estimated processing times that are posted on their website and in your online USCIS account. These kinds of estimates are calculated by a machine and they are completely inaccurate. And if you go and read the comments under that video, you will notice that you are one of hundreds, if not thousands of applicants trying to understand this entire processing time estimates issue. But lo and behold, after I posted that video, USCIS has come out with yet another useless digital tool, which is the MyProgress tab, which claims to be a personalized case tracking, case estimates. But in reality, you will notice that this Progress tab is the same for every single applicant. And funny enough, last week there has also been a glitch in the entire USCIS system where everyone's Progress tab in their USCIS online account has jumped to step 4, which means await a case decision. A lot of applicants, understandably so, after waiting months for their case to be processed, got very excited that their Progress has jumped so quickly. However, it was nothing but a glitch, and in reality, your case is still processing at the exact same pace as it was before the glitch. And to make it even funnier, I will post a screenshot of a conversation with an actual USCIS officer via their Emma chat, which confirmed that the Progress tab is actually not accurate at all. The vast majority of applicants will see a message in their account that says that your case is taking longer than expected. And in that situation where you haven't heard from USCIS in 30 days, 60 days, or even 6 months, you may be inclined to complete an electronic service request to check your case status that is outside of processing times. And in that situation, USCIS will compare your case to the average processing times that are posted on their website. And if you see the processing times for the field offices and service centers, you will notice that most of them, if not all of them, are over 1 year long. Of course, it is not normal that the cases are taking this long. It is extremely stressful, but it maybe will make you feel a little bit better that you are not alone, that your case is not an outlier, that it's taking this long. And naturally, you may be wondering, what can you do to speed up your process? And unfortunately, just like the vast majority of applicants, all you can do in this situation is sit and simply wait for your case to be resolved. If you have a true emergency, you may submit an expedite request with USCIS, but it is only approvable in life or death situations, significant humanitarian reasons, and USCIS will ask that you provide evidence that supports your expedite request. And the second thing I wanted to talk about today is some of you were also wondering if you should be worried about the new presidency and how it will affect processing times. I don't necessarily think that the processing times are going to get much worse than they have already been. I do think that some marriage-based cases will start getting interviews again, which may delay the case, but it is not yet a confirmation. And what I see, unfortunately, from some trusted attorneys and YouTube channels right now is inciting a lot of panic and encouraging applicants to submit their applications before January 20th of 2025. But what I think is going to happen is exactly the same thing that happened earlier this year with the fee increases. I will give you a little bit of insight if you are a new applicant. In the beginning of 2024, USCIS has announced that they will be officially increasing their application fees as of April 1st, 2024. That resulted in applicants submitting their cases before that April 1st deadline. deadline. A lot more applicants than usual were submitting their cases in the middle and end of March before the April 1st fee increases, which resulted in crazy huge backlogs. People were waiting for their receipt notices for 2, 3, 4 months, and they were missing biometrics appointments, they were missing requests for evidence, important deadlines. So it created huge backlogs for everybody, even applicants who were sending in their cases after April 1st, because USCIS was really struggling to go through the huge pile of newly filed cases, which is what I think will happen before the end of January. And unfortunately, if these backlogs do happen, they will be blamed on the new administration, which may not have necessarily been the case. At the end of the day, we really don't know what is going to happen until it happens. I am a huge proponent of keeping a calm attitude and a clear mind. And if USCIS changes their policies, then they will most likely announce it ahead of time. And I will do my best to do the research, to keep you guys updated, and we will go through this process together and we will take things as they come. So I hope that you found this video useful. I hope that I was able to calm your nerves a little bit. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like this video so more people can see it, especially this one. And I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye!